In this video, I will show you how to use footprint charts in TradingView. Footprint charts are only available with the premium plan, which costs $56.49 per month. You can choose between monthly or annual billing. Sign in with your existing credentials or create a free account and then upgrade to premium. Now, load your preferred chart. In the top left corner next to your selected time frame, tap the chart style icon. Now, scroll down and select Volume Footprint from the list. The chart will refresh and display the footprint view automatically. Most settings are left as default. The recommended changes are turn off point of control POC if not needed, set imbalance to 600%, set stack level to 4. So, that's how to set up footprint charts in TradingView. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.